If I told you that saving $10,000 could happen faster than you ever believed, you'd probably laugh, right? But here's the crazy part. Most people aren't broke because they don't earn enough. They re-broke because nobody ever showed them the system the wealthy use to make saving money feel almost illegal. Today, I'm giving you that system. Welcome back to The Wealthy Path, where we talk money, mindset, and building a life you don't need a vacation from. If you're in your 30s, 40s, maybe juggling kids, bills, work, and you still want to build real financial security, this video is your blueprint. Let's get into how to save $10,000 faster than feels possible, without suffering, without cutting everything fun, and without feeling like you're living in financial prison. 1. The secret. You save $10,000 with strategy, not suffering. Let's get something straight. Saving $10,000 fast is not about cutting coffee. It's not about punishing yourself. It's about designing a system that runs automatically, with or without your mood. Most people try to save using motivation. Successful people save using automation. The moment saving becomes automatic, you win. 2. Step 1. The money drain audit. Find the hidden cash. I call this the money drain audit because these drains leak your cash without you noticing. Spend 20 minutes and check subscriptions you forgot about, food delivery habits, monthly services you don't use, bank fees, impulse spending triggers. Most people in the 30 to 50 age group can free up $300 to $700 instantly. Just with this 20-minute audit, that's $300 to $700 per month that's been hiding in your lifestyle. You do this and say you're already halfway to $10,000. 3. Step 2. Setup. A $400, menos $800, auto transfer. The illegal part. Here's the part that feels almost illegal because it works too well. Set up automatic transfers the day your paycheck hits, not next week. Not when I remember. Not when the bills are done. The day you get paid, move $400. $100 to a high-yield savings account or investment account. This is how high savers build money fast without feeling it. When the money leaves instantly, your brain adjusts. Your lifestyle adjusts. Your expenses shrink automatically. This is how people accidentally save $10,000 in under a year. It's not magic. It's automation. 4. Step 3. The dose. Expense rule cut. Just 2 things most people fail to save because they try to cut everything. You only need to cut 2 things. Pick 2 from this list. Restaurant meals, takeout, drinks, impulse Amazon purchases, Uber rides, luxury treats, monthly entertainment subscriptions. Cutting just 2 saves the average adult $200 to $500 per month. Combine this with the auto transfer. You're saving $700 to $1,200 per month. 5. Step 4. Turn your weekends into cash. Without side hustling hard, you don't need a second job. But you do need a weekend strategy. Pick 1. Sell unused items. Most households have $1,000 sitting idle. Freelance your skill for 1 to 2 hours a week. Offer microservices, editing, tutoring, consulting, rent out unused space or tools. Drive for 2 hours on weekends, not full-time strategic time. This alone can add $300 to $600 per month to your savings rate. Now you're hitting $1,000 to $1,500 per month in savings. $1OK becomes a 6 to 10 month goal, not a dream. 6. Step 5. The nitrogen monoxide touch rule. Lock it away. Here's the mindset shift. Save money is not money you spend later. It's money you use to change your life. Put it in a high-yield savings account, a brokerage account, a 3 to 6 month CDN index fund. If comfortable with investing, make it harder to touch. If it's easily accessible, you'll spend it during one bad week. Lock it away. Future you will thank you. 7. The psychology. Why this works even if you be filed before. People in their 30s, 50 segundos on ti, fail to save because they're irresponsible. They fail because they're overwhelmed. They're tired. They carry family responsibilities. Bills hit constantly. Motivation comes in waves. Stress destroys discipline. That's why this system works. It removes emotion from saving. It becomes automatic, predictable, consistent, effortless. This is how adults with busy lives build wealth. 8. The lifestyle transformation. Some people think saving money makes life smaller, but in reality, saving $10,000 makes life bigger, because $10,000 means less stress, more control, options, safety, opportunities, confidence, breathing room. That money becomes the foundation of everything. Emergency fund, down payment, investment seed, debt payoff, travel fund, I'm tired of this job fund. Whatever you want your life to become, $10,000 is the ignition. Final message: saving $10,000 isn't hard. What's hard is believing you can do it. But here's the truth. You don't need to be rich. You don't need a perfect budget. You don't need self-control made of steel. You only need a system. A system that finds money, moves money, and protects money. Even on days you don't feel motivated, if you follow the steps in this video, $10,000 will show up in your life faster than you ever imagined. Because saving money isn't about sacrifice, it's about freedom. Welcome to the Wealthy Path. Your journey starts now.